Step 1. Run Joyoshare UltFix and plug your iPhone to your computer. Enter iOS System Repair, click Start. Step 2. Choose Standard Repair Mode to fix your iPhone. If your iPhone can be scanned and recognized successfully, you can move to the next step. If it is not, you have to get your iPhone into DFU, recovery mode first, and the instruction will guide you to do that. Step 3. Check whether your iOS version is right or not, and Joyoshare UltFix will offer a matching firmware package. Then click Download, and it will be downloaded and verified automatically. Step 4. After verifying, click Repair to fix your iPhone. Once the Finish button appears, your iPhone will work again. This is the end of this video. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe our channel. See you next time.